Hi my sweet friends, and welcome back. In today's video we are going to be taking a look around at the latest fall decor, and they have a beautiful collection this year. I am going to be showing you the prices, so let's go shopping. The first thing that caught my eye was this beautiful brown pumpkin with the gold metal stem. I really like this shade of brown, and the surprise is it's open at the bottom. Not sure what that's about, but it's still a good looking pumpkin, and you also can get it in this little shorter version here that's made out of that same shade of wood, and I really like the quality of these, and this one was a solid pumpkin. It kind of reminds me of something that you would see at Pottery Barn. And I also found this 4.5 inch pumpkin. Isn't it so cute? And it is also made out of wood, and I thought all three of these had a unique look. These would be perfect if you're looking for a colorless fall or a more neutralized fall setting. I also found these mushrooms with the gold tops for $9.97. They come in this small, and they also come in this large size. I really like the shade of gold that they used on these. And I found another wood pumpkin. It looks like it has a high gloss overlay on top with its own stand. I found quite a few wood pumpkins in this collection today. Now we're going to take a look at the wreaths. I really like this one. They had a really nice selection of wreaths at affordable prices. Everything was under $31. This one was full of berries, florals, leaves, and it was a more toned down and neutralized style wreath. I also found this second version. This is giving me more of a wheat vibe with all the stems and corn husk. And I also found these woven pumpkins. They were priced at $7.97 for the small and $9.97 for the large. And because they're neutral in color, you could easily add your choice of bow on the stem. I also found this little sign that says fall in that same wood texture, and it has a little gold pumpkin, but it's a half pumpkin. I thought it was a solid pumpkin. That's probably why it was $9.97 and not higher. And I also found this cream floral basket. It resembles the wreath that we just saw, and it has the beautiful white pumpkin, some gourds, the chrysanthemums throughout, and leaves and other stems. It was a very full basket. And now bring on all the fall colors. Loving this one as well. So vibrant, so fresh. Love the red apples and the pomegranates throughout this one. And then we have this one here as well with those little hidden away pomegranates and the orange and the yellow hydration on the leaves. I thought those were gorgeous. And we also have this little pumpkin stand. On the inside, you get some florals, some pumpkins, and the form itself is shaped like a rib style pumpkin in a dark brown metal contraption. I also found this cute wicker basket. It was in the shape of a pumpkin. You could easily create a vignette on your dining table or island. I also found this simple sign here that says Cozy Season. Very simple and very neutralized in color as well. I'm quite impressed with this collection that Walmart is offering a lot of neutral toned down colors of fall. Now I love this pumpkin. It comes in two styles. I love the leaf etching on each of these, and these will be beautiful to add into any home decor style. And I was just giving you a side-by-side comparison. I also like this gold leaf. Very simple. I like the gold tone. It was $9.97. And I also found this basket type wreath here. It had similar florals in the basket of florals that we saw in the fuller wreath. Really like the ribbon on this one. It was $19.97. And that same color palette as we seen before in this beautiful wood art-shaped lantern. And in the center there is a battery operated candle. Love, love these gorgeous ivory white pumpkins. And they look just like a nice sweater. This will be perfect to add to a club chair or on your bed. I also found these lights that was reasonably priced as well. And you get the LED 8-function micro lights. And I also found this sign that simply says Autumn for $7.97. And isn't he so adorable? Love the sweater, love the scarf, holding that cute burnt orange pumpkin, and he is made out of resin. And we found these gorgeous wood pumpkins as well, and they're calling them carved pumpkins. They are solid and they look very high end. They don't look like they belong at Walmart. So if you're looking for something more neutralized and a lot of warmth to it, this would be a perfect choice. And I also found these little pumpkin wired lanterns here in the shape of a pumpkin and in a gourd with the battery operated candles. These will be perfect. You probably could put this outside if you have a covered porch. This will be pretty in a tablescape. And I also found this stacked pumpkin in that same beautiful sweater like texture. I thought it was gorgeous. And I found this sign with the brown background, Falling in Love. And then I found these little suede looking dark brown pumpkins. At first glance, they look like they're black in person, but they are a beautiful shade of brown. And I also found this Sherpa style pumpkin in that same rich chocolate brown, and it was definitely soft to the touch, and it was nice in size as well. And I also found a second wicker tray for $14.97. This is in the shape of a leaf, and it looks like an acorn leaf. These will be perfect to decorate with to create a simple vignette. And I also found this orange ceramic pumpkin here. I like the cutouts in this one. And I also found this tabletop decor, a simple burnt orange leaf for $3.97. And I also found this floral arrangement here in the ceramic like or resin container shaped of a pumpkin with all those beautiful neutralized florals. And now we're going to take a look at the My Texas House collection, starting with these beautiful wreaths. And these are hydrangeas. In my YouTube short video, I think I said geraniums, but these are actually hydrangeas, priced at $25.97. I thought this floral arrangement was quite unique. At first glance, it looks like all the leaves in this are black, but they are not. They're like a very deep plum, and you can see hues of green on those leaves. I also found these stems here. They are hydrangea stems. I really like the look and texture of these for $4.97. And this little bushel here is out of place, but they look like they are chrysanthemums, and I think they were $4.97. Here I'm just giving you a better look at the stem head of these. Just look at that chocolate brown, the hints of green. I thought these were fantastic, how she designed these. And I also found these candle sticks here. Now in my short video, These come in two sizes, the large and small, but they look like they're already sold out. And I also found this beautiful amber glass pumpkin. I really like this one, or you could say it was a gourd. And then I found this flathead pumpkin here, and I thought each of these were absolutely stunning. And if I didn't say it before, they are made out of glass. And I really like these ceramic pumpkins here. I like the cream vining and the leaves on this. They were high polished, and I thought they looked very sophisticated looking. So these will be perfect for my neutral girlies out there that doesn't want to decorate with the traditional colors. I'm liking this wicker vase as well. And I also found this cutting board. It was on a darker side of the brown. It almost looked like it was stained, but it didn't have the look of real wood. Not quite sure whether that's solid wood or not. And then I found this arrangement as well. And like I said before, first glance they look like all the leaves are black, but they are really dark burgundy, and the same as these wreaths. Very dramatic at first glance. They almost remind me of a blackbird or a raven. Fun fact, did you know that the male blackbird's body, they are true black, often with a glossy or iridescent sheen of blue, purple, or green when seen in bright sunlight. And this is exactly what these wreaths and arrangements remind me of. I did find this core mat here. I thought it was quite beautiful. It looks like with all the black ravens on it and the florals from my Texas house. And she also had these little soft pumpkins here. I like the shade of brown, in which you could use this shade of pumpkin to add if you're doing a neutralized fall or if you're doing fall with color. This will be a perfect little add-in pumpkin that you can add to your decor. I also found this little collection of pumpkins. They were all plastic. I like the fact that they're adding more chocolate browns and neutral in their fall collections, because previous years Walmart really just overdid it with the bright oranges, and they really didn't give you other color options. And of course we got to have a fall gnome with his little wool cap on, and he is decked out in all the caramel browns and gray shades of fall. Leave a comment below if you still like gnomes and if you plan to decorate with them this year. I also like this floral spray here. I like the caramel browns, the shades of green, the berries, the pomegranates that they've added in here. It gave it such a realistic look. And I found this 6-foot garland made of oak leaves. And I think they had something similar last year, but I thought it was at a nice price. And this would be beautiful to decorate with. And I also found these beautiful Better Homes and Garden arrangement. I really like that red cranberry color. It definitely looked like some of the trees that are in the Carolinas during the fall season. I also found this Better Homes and Gardens plug-in. I really like the gold leaves, and the scent was sliced apple and cinnamon. I bet you it smells absolutely delicious. the packaging of the candles. I also found this unique looking candle warmer here. This print was also found on one of the pumpkin candles that we saw earlier. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun checking out all this beautiful fall decor, and some of the pieces look very high end. If you enjoyed this video, how about give it a big thumbs up? And if you're new, how about you hit the subscribe button on your way out? And don't forget to hit that hype button. It really helps my channel out. So until the next video, happy decorating.